Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 Rollable Review. Is it the first rollable OLED laptop hands-on? So, what is this laptop? It is a new laptop from Lenovo that uses a motorized OLED panel, a 14-inch display that can unroll vertically into a 16.7-inch screen at the press of a button. So, under the hood, you get a high-end hardware which is up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and up to 32 DDR5 GB RAM with an terabyte and SSD storage and Wi-Fi 7 support. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it is genuinely innovative and screen tech. The rollable OLED works and it's the first on the world rollable screen laptop, and it offers a versatile productivity and creative work. It has a premium build and hardware specs, which is also offering an OLED display and quality with vibrant colors. And it has portability plus a flexibility. Now the cons is though it has a high price because of the design, this isn't cheap. It's positioned as a premium niche market laptop. There are also some durability concerns and unknown long-term reliability. The display brightness is only average. It offers limited hinge and laptop usage, ergonomics, and the battery life takes a hit. So overall, it is not for everyone, but for the right user. It's a remarkable leap forward, and if you want a portable laptop that can transform it into a spacious, ultra-wide style workspace when needed for coding, content creation, then this device offers one of the most exciting real-world implementations of the tech we've seen. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications